Welcome to PolySummer. We're so glad to have you here with us. We are only children, and yet we know that fighting climate change is the most unselfish act for a very selfish reason. To keep this planet alive, because after all, we don't have another planet to go to. So please, join us in fighting climate change by sorting your food waste throughout the day. Thank you. To start, zero waste is not an endpoint. It's a goal to move toward. And that's what we're here to talk about, how Poly can move towards zero waste. When food breaks down in a landfill, instead of decomposing, it produces a harmful gas known as methane. Methane is a greenhouse gas, and it's actually 80 times worse for our environment than the carbon dioxide that comes out of our cars. And it's these gases that are accelerating climate change. But all that food waste doesn't have to go to the landfill. It can be turned into compost. Which is why today we're going to talk about why we need your help to move towards zero waste. We can be a part of the solution to climate change, and not the pollution. This summer, we're going to sort our trash during lunch to reduce Poly's impact on climate change. Here's how we're going to do it. It's really easy. Say hello to two-stream sorting. Honestly, two-stream sorting is just what it sounds like, sorting into two streams. Now that means you only have to sort your lunch waste into 2 bins instead of 3. Recycling will be sorted out by another facility, which means one less step for you. There are 2 bins you will need to sort your lunch into. The first bin will be for food scraps, and it will have a sign like this. All food scraps go here. These food scraps will be composted on-site in Poly's compost bins. The second bin will be for all other trash, and it will have a sign like this. Anything else that isn't food scraps will end up in this bin. Some items might later get sorted out and be recycled, but for the most part, items in this bin will go to the landfill. If you're getting hot lunch, you'll be using reusable plates and utensils provided by Poly. When you're done with lunch, just drop off your plate and utensils in the pickup bin next to the sorting station. So now that we've gone over it, you know what to do every day. Sort out any food scraps and put them in the food scraps bin. Place any other trash you have in the bin for all other trash. And if you're bringing lunch from home, please bring reusable containers. This can help us reduce the waste we have and benefit our planet. To reduce climate change, we need to get all food waste out of the landfill. So let's take the challenge and move towards zero waste.